This is the elevator at the Reservoir Building at Heinz Lofts in Northside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, in case fire stairs. Yet another Schindler 400A elevator with HD perimeter holsters van registration on the inside, just like all the other elevators here. Case fire those elevators. This one vibrates heavily when the brakes are released. So we'll go down to the basement. This one does not have any interior chimes. Here we go down. Listen. That was for the brakes vibrating the entire elevator. These are even worse than Cork Factory. Wow. Here's the basement. Up to 5. That goes to the shipping building. The door's having issues? Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Here are 5. People playing cornhole out there, that's weird. 85. Oh my gosh. Same concept for everything else. This one is an air freshener, but it doesn't work. Schindler 400A from 2014. These are very worn out. And we're up here at the ground. I thought I was talking to you for a second. That's going to be it.